What's up guys, how are y'all doing today? So as y'all can see, I finally got the hood. Brad did that yesterday, but in today's video we are going to be installing these clear LED side markers, and they are going to be going in place of these old red ones. I feel like they'll match the car pretty well, especially with the clear taillights that I've got. Apparently these aren't that hard to install. I don't know, we'll find out. You got to take off these two screws for that taillight and this taillight, and then there are two nuts on this that you will remove. After you take these nuts out of here, you should just plug this in and bolt it back up. So let's take the two screws out and then we'll take the nuts off the side markers. So this little bulb right here, well, I just removed it out of the side marker right there, and if I can get it here and show you, you can look and see this, you need to take this off, and then this one over here, and then it should just pop out. I am using a 7/16 socket and it seems to be working pretty well. When taking these little plastic nuts off, you want to be careful, just because they are plastic and they tend to snap off pretty easily if you do plan on reusing these side markers. I don't plan on reusing them, so I'm not too worried, but I'm gonna try and get them off without breaking them. As you can see, we got the side marker out, and if you look closely, you can see where those plastic nuts created their own threads, and pretty much when you twist this thing on, it cuts in there and creates threads. So if you look on this new side marker, there aren't any threads, so we're gonna have to use this little nut that came off of the old one and basically screw it on like that and create our own threads. We're gonna pop this bulb out, plug this in just to make sure it works before we bolt everything up and then have a side marker that doesn't work. And as you can see, they're plugged in and the light strip works. So now that we know that it works, let's bolt it back up. As I about fall, let's bolt it back up and see what it looks like on the car. Got the nuts threaded back on. Now the only thing left to do is to pop this back in. Twist that. Put the tail lights back on and do the other side. So let's do that. Alrighty guys, so got that one installed. I guess whenever it gets darker tonight, I'll take it outside and we'll see what the LED strip looks like at night. So we'll continue this video whenever it gets dark. I actually got a little busy last night and decided to wrap the trunk lid, so that's why it's daylight outside, if you can see that. It's dark enough in here to where you can tell how bright the side markers actually are. I mean, they definitely give off a lot more light, and also I really enjoy how the LED strip looks. It looks a lot better than the stock one. This is what they look like turned on during the day. Just comment down below and let me know what you think about the side markers and the new color. That's pretty much all I gotta say for this video, so y'all take it easy and we'll see y'all in the next one.